Welcome to our channel, where we explore the cutting edge of technology and its implications on our world. Today, we're delving into the fascinating intersection of artificial intelligence and the automotive industry in 2024. AI is not just a buzzword, it's a driving force revolutionizing how cars are designed, built, and driven. Stay tuned as we uncover the transformative impact of AI on the automotive world this year, revealing insights that may just reshape your view on the future of transportation. Let's take a step back and see how we got here. The journey of AI in the automotive sector is nothing short of revolutionary. From rudimentary automation to the sophisticated AI systems of 2024, the evolution has been rapid and transformative. AI's integration into the automotive industry has accelerated, marking a new era where technology and transportation converge in unprecedented ways. This year, we're witnessing AI capabilities that were once mere concepts become everyday realities, setting new standards in automotive innovation, design and manufacturing. The influence of AI in automotive design and manufacturing is profound. In design, AI aids engineers by providing advanced simulations and predictive analytics, ensuring vehicles are not only aesthetically pleasing but also optimized for safety and efficiency. Through machine learning, AI anticipates design impacts on performance, revolutionizing how cars are conceptualized. In manufacturing, AI's role is equally transformative. Automation has evolved. Robots and assembly lines are now more adaptive and intelligent thanks to AI. They can identify and correct errors in real time, ensuring unparalleled precision and quality. Supply chain management has been revolutionized too, with AI providing predictive insights for demand, forecasting, inventory management, and logistical efficiency, reducing waste and enhancing productivity. Autonomous vehicles. One of the most anticipated developments in AI within the automotive industry is the advent of autonomous vehicles. In 2024, we're closer than ever to seeing these self-driving cars become a common sight on our roads. AI is at the heart of this transformation, enabling vehicles to interpret complex road environments, make split-second decisions, and ensure passenger safety. Advanced sensors and machine learning algorithms allow these vehicles to navigate through city streets and highways with precision. However, it's not just about getting from point A to B, it's about doing so safely and efficiently. AI systems continuously learn from vast amounts of data, improving their decision-making processes over time. While the technology is groundbreaking, it also brings forth challenges. Regulatory frameworks are evolving to keep pace with technological advancements, ensuring safety and reliability. Public perception is mixed, with excitement about innovation balanced by concerns over safety and job impact. Despite these hurdles, the progress in autonomous vehicle technology in 2024 is undeniably shaping the future of transportation. AI in automotive maintenance. Moving beyond the roads and into the garage, AI's impact extends to automotive maintenance. Predictive maintenance, powered by AI, is becoming a game changer. Vehicles equipped with AI-enabled sensors can now predict potential issues before they escalate, scheduling maintenance proactively and reducing the chances of unexpected breakdowns. These intelligent systems analyze data from various vehicle sensors, learning from patterns, and predicting wear and tear on components. This not only enhances vehicle longevity, but also optimizes maintenance schedules, tailoring them to each car's unique usage pattern. Moreover, AI-driven diagnostic tools are revolutionizing service centers, enabling technicians to pinpoint issues with unprecedented accuracy and speed. This efficiency reduces downtime for vehicles, ensuring they are back on the road faster and in optimal condition, enhancing overall road safety and user satisfaction. Customer experience and services. In an era where customer expectations are ever evolving, AI is reshaping the automotive customer experience. Personalization is key, and AI is making it possible in ways we've never seen before. From personalized in-car experiences like climate control and entertainment preferences, to AI-powered virtual assistants that provide real-time assistance and information, the focus is on creating a seamless, intuitive user experience. Beyond the vehicle itself, AI is transforming customer interactions with manufacturers and service providers. Online platforms platforms powered by AI offer personalized buying experiences, recommending vehicles based on user preferences and driving habits. After-sales services are also getting an AI upgrade, with intelligent systems streamlining appointments, reminders, and providing tailored maintenance tips. Even the insurance industry is feeling the impact of AI, with personalized policy offerings based on individual driving behaviors and vehicle usage patterns. This not only makes services more user-centric, but also encourages safer driving habits, contributing to overall road safety, challenges, and ethical considerations. While the integration of AI in the automotive industry heralds a new era of innovation, it's not without its challenges. Data privacy emerges as a significant concern, with vehicles collecting vast amounts of user data. Ensuring this data's security and users' privacy requires robust cybersecurity measures and transparent data practices. Moreover, as AI systems become more autonomous, ethical considerations come to the forefront. Decisions made by AI, especially in critical situations, raise questions about accountability and moral responsibility. The industry must navigate these issues, establishing guidelines and frameworks that ensure AI's ethical deployment. Additionally, there's the impact on the workforce. As AI takes on roles traditionally performed by humans, there's a pressing need for reskilling and upskilling, ensuring that employees can transition to new roles within this evolving landscape. Future prospects. Looking ahead, the potential for AI in the automotive industry is boundless. We're on the brink of further groundbreaking developments that could redefine mobility. Imagine vehicles that not only drive themselves, but also communicate with each other and infrastructure to optimize traffic flow and enhance safety. The integration of AI with other emerging technologies like electric vehicles and smart city infrastructure opens up new possibilities for sustainable and efficient transportation. Moreover, the continued evolution of AI technology promises even greater personalization, efficiency, and safety features, making the future of automotive industry an exciting space to watch. In conclusion, AI's impact on the automotive industry in 2024 is profound, driving advancements that were once the realm of science fiction. From the way cars are designed and built to how they're driven and maintained, AI is at the heart of a transformative journey. While challenges remain, particularly around ethics and employment, the potential benefits for safety, efficiency, and sustainability are immense. We invite you to reflect on these developments and share your thoughts. How do you see AI shaping the future of transportation? Join the conversation in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world where technology meets daily life. Thank you for watching.